Hello guys, now let's start with the topic measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is a definite magnitude of a quantity. Means if we have to measure something, anything, whether it is in terms of a weight or something like that, then there are several quantities that we will measure. First system that includes in the concept of measurement is CGS system. CGS system means centimeter gram second system. Centimeter is the unit of length, gram is unit of mass, and second is unit of time. Okay. Now coming on another system is FPS system. Foot pound second system. Foot again stands for unit of length, pound for unit of mass, second for unit of time. 1 pound is equivalent to 453.59 grams. Now third system is MKS system, which stands for meter kilogram second. Again, meter is the unit of length, kilogram is the unit of mass, second is the unit of time. Now coming on the fourth system is SI system, which is most common system. It is one of the international systems of the unit. It is one of the highlighted systems of unit. It is most widely used, and it was firstly adopted during the conference on international weight and measures held at Geneva. There are different units that are measured in SI system, and these are like length is measured in meter, mass in kilogram, time in second, temperature in Kelvin, luminous intensity in candela, electric current in ampere, amount of substance in mole, etc. Now coming on the meter, first quantity is meter. Whenever we buy any cloth, we measure it in meter. We measure the length of a cloth, for example, in meter. That is under the SI system. Now for measuring mass, we will measure mass in the terms of kilogram. Okay. For example, if we are buying 2 kg of apples, we will say we have bought the apples in terms of kg. That is one of the SI system. Now if we have to look for the time has a system in SI. It has a unit that is second. So if we have to measure time, then we use second for the unit of time. Like it has been 2 seconds since my friend has gone, etc. Now coming on the fourth quantity, that is ampere. So current is measured in ampere. Okay, like 2 ampere current is coming. Whenever we have to look for the current unit, then electric current unit, then we say that it is in ampere. So these were some of the quantities in SI systems. Now coming on another quantity is Kelvin. Kelvin is one of the unit of temperature. Okay, so whenever we use a term Kelvin, then we say that it is equals to a value of 273. 1 Kelvin is equal to 273. And there is a quite history behind this unit, this quantity. So we will not discuss about it. Right now we will come on sixth unit, that is candela. Candela is basically the unit of luminous intensity. Okay, so whenever we have to measure luminous intensity in SI system, we use candela. Now there are several other units, like respective quantity have different kinds of unit in SI system. For example, few common quantities with SI units are force, that is very common, and it is measured in Newton. Okay, and although it's expressed in some other form while we denote in the numericals and all. Another quality is pressure or stress, that is in Pascal, represented by alphabet PA. Energy work, that is represented in terms of joule, denoted by J. Another common includes electric resistance, that is ohm, represented by sign ohm, and there are several other quantities. Now coming on another few common quantities, that includes temperature. Whenever we have a fever, we measure our temperature in terms of Celsius or Kelvin. Now coming on another quantity, like whenever we travel a distance, we say we have been traveling through certain speed, that is represented in meter per second. Volume of any vessel or something like that in meter cube. Area in meter square, etc. So there are several quantities with different units, with different expressive units in SI system. Although there are other units of length also, like 1 millimeter will be equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Kilometer includes 1000 meter. Angstrom includes 10 to the power minus 10 meter, etc. Nanometer is very small unit, that is equals to 1 nanometer is equivalent to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, another unit is micron. Okay, maybe whenever we talk about in the terms of biology, or we talk about the microorganism, then we use this micron term very often. 1 micron is equivalent to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Now coming on the another quantity, that is astronomical unit, that is basically used by astronauts. Okay, so 1 astronomical unit is equals to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Light year is another quantity, that is the unit of distance. Although it may seems like that it is relevant to like light or something, but this is not the case. It is a unit of distance, and 1 light year, as we all know, it is equivalent to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now coming on another unit is parsec. Parsec is basically used to measure large distances or any astronomical objects, etc. Although there is a relation between parsec and light years. 1 parsec is equivalent to 3.26 light years. Both are some or the other form of a quantity related to distance only. So these were some of the quantities. Now coming on to some of the questions, that includes the measurement topic.